While it may not seem like a dramatic transformation, this is my go-to daytime makeup look for this summer. I like to keep it light, matte and fresh, especially in hot and humid weather. However, if I want to take it up a notch, I can always add some vibrant colors to my eyes and lips. To start off, I focus on my skincare routine. After cleansing my face, I use a 5% glycolic acid cleansing pad to exfoliate. Then I apply a vitamin C serum and a lightweight phytosolution serum moisturizer from Vichy. This combination helps keep my skin looking healthy and glowing. For my hair, I use a blow-dry brush and a flat iron to style it. Using these two tools together leaves my hair looking manageable for a longer period of time. One new addition to my look that has really impressed me is colored lenses. I recently tried them for the first time and they have made a huge difference to my overall appearance. I used the Aquacolor disposable lenses in Celestial Grey and they instantly make my eyes look more polished, enhancing my overall look. However, using them for the first time did have its own challenges. Just by having sleek hair and wearing a pair of colored lenses, my look is instantly elevated. It's amazing how these small changes can make such a big impact. Next, I applied my Eucerin Tinted Oil Control Sunscreen with SPF 50+. This sunscreen is perfect for humid weather as it helps control oil and keeps my skin looking matte throughout the day. It did take some time to blend it evenly, but eventually I got it right. I made sure to extend the application to my neck as well. After sunscreen, I used the Milani Concealer in shade Natural Sand. Since the sunscreen provided some coverage already, I only applied a tad bit amount around my eyes and mouth, focusing on spot concealing. To blend it seamlessly, I used the Real Technique eyeshadow blending brush, ensuring that I kept the product concentrated in one area and didn't spread it out too much. Once the concealer was in place, I reached for the banana setting powder from Essence. I lightly patted it all over my face to set my makeup and achieve a matte finish. Using a peachy concealer and banana powder also cancelled out any grey cast from this sunscreen. Moving on to my cheeks and eyes, I applied a pink blush generously on my temples, cheekbones and eyes, creating a lifting effect. Whatever was left on the brush, I applied it onto my eyelids as well. This added a touch of color and cohesiveness to the look. Moving on to my eyebrows, I used the KVD eyeshadow palette. I mixed the brown and black shades to create a soft black shade that matched my brows perfectly. Starting from the center of my brow and working my way from the inner corner to the outer corner, I shaped my brows. Since I had the colored lenses on, I wanted to add more definition to my eyes, so I used a brown eye pencil to create a winged eyeliner. I also applied the same pencil along my lower lash line. Now it's time to focus on my lashes. I opted for the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara, which is perfect for a quick application. The wand works well for both my upper and lower lashes, providing the desired length and volume for a regular day. For my lips, I chose a nude pink lip liner to outline and fill them in. On a hot and humid day, I prefer the comfort of a matte lipstick over a glossy one. To give my lips a plump appearance, I used a lighter pink shade from MAC in the center. To set and mattify my makeup, I used the MAC Matte Makeup Setting Spray. A few sprays all over my face ensured that my makeup would stay in place and not feel heavy or greasy throughout the day. Now that my makeup is complete, it's time to let my hair down and finish the whole look. This simple makeup routine is perfect for a hot and humid day. By skipping foundation, I avoid unnecessary layers that may melt in the heat and humidity outside. Keeping the makeup light and matte makes me feel comfortable and appropriate for the weather outside. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.